In this video tutorial, I'll show you where you can go to show the battery percentage in the status bar for your Vivo Iqoo 00 Neo 7 phone or any Vivo phones with Origin OS 3. Let's get started. To enable this, use the quick panel access. You'll pull down from the right top and you'll see this here. You'll see the settings right there. Go ahead and tap on that one time and that'll take you to the main settings of your phone. Once you're here, go down until you see notifications and status bar. As you enter into this section here, you'll want to go down to the part in the status bar section right here. From here, you'll see battery percentage display mode. And when you tap on that here, at default, it will say do not display. But you can go with the outside the battery here where the percentage shows on the outside, or you can have it shown inside, saving more space in the status bar section. Okay, and you can come back and change these settings at any given time. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.